Good morning. Thank you so much for coming. It's so nice to see everybody. This is just absolutely, I am so excited. It's not often I'm a little tongue-tied, but when I see something like this, a community that comes together to want to see something like this come in and help the people that really need it the most, whether they have access to it at home, whether they don't have computers, whether they don't know how to turn a computer on, whatever the case might be, for you people to come together and want to do this for your community. This is the very first Chinese computer center we have, and this is phenomenal.
Good morning. I couldn't have said it better. We're very excited about opening our 41st center here in this community, and ICAN truly believes that education should be made available to all Canadians. I'm really pleased to announce Nina Adamo from Jim Caragiano's office, and she's going to officially open your center.
It's in my capacity as Member of Parliament for Scarborough Agincourt. I am pleased to congratulate the International Charity Association Network on the grand opening of the Computer Center in Scarborough Agincourt. As the business world continues to advance, many more people seek guidance and the tools to enable them to overcome everyday challenges in technology. Your centers assist these individuals to acquire the computer skills needed in order to be successful in their lives. Best wishes for success in the future. Sincerely, Honourable Jim Caragianis, Member of Parliament for Scarborough Agincourt. And I would like to declare that the centre is officially opened on behalf of Jim Caragianis and Scarborough Agincourt. Congratulations.
Right on. And then you can start playing around with some of these courses.
Basement, they want to open the area, so they also like the courses.
都可以到这来，所有的上网啊，包括找工作啊，而且我们以后有的项目，包括像 accounting 这些 service 呢，都是 free 的。